In this video, I will be showing you how to fix the Deepseek server busy error. Let's get started. If you are experiencing issues with Deepseek showing a server busy message or failing to load your chats, one of the most effective first steps is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. To do this on Google Chrome, I start by navigating to the top right corner of the window and clicking on the three vertical dots to open the browser menu. From the drop-down list, I scroll down and click on Settings. Once the Settings tab opens, I look at the left-hand sidebar and click on the Privacy and Security option. This opens up a new set of privacy preferences. Under this section, I click on the Delete Browsing Data option. A pop-up window appears with options to clear various types of data. I make sure to select the time range as All Time to ensure all corrupted temporary files are removed. Under the list, I ensure Browsing History, Cookies and Other Site Data, and Cached Images and Files are checked, and then I click on the blue Delete Data button at the bottom right. Once the browser finishes clearing the data, I can close the settings page. Next, if the issue persists, it might be caused by an active extension interfering with the website's connection. To check this, I go back to the top right menu of Chrome, click on the three vertical dots, hover over Extensions, and select Manage Extensions from the submenu. This takes me to a page listing all installed extensions. Here, I can temporarily disable any active ad blockers, security extensions, or virtual private networks, VPNs, that might be restricting traffic to Deepseek. In this case, I have a VPN extension installed. After verifying my active extensions, I can close the tab. If the server's busy message continues, it's always a good idea to check if the error is on your end or if the Deepseek servers are actually experiencing an outage. I open a new tab and navigate to the official status page at status.deepseek.com. Here, I can check the system status, API service uptime, and web chat service indicators. If everything shows green and is running smoothly, then the servers are online. For a second opinion, I open another tab and go to a third-party monitoring site like Downdetector. I click on the search bar in the middle, type in Deepseek, and select it from the drop-down. Downdetector will show real-time user reports and confirm if there are any widespread problems or if the connection is stable. If the servers are online and working fine, but your main browser is still struggling, trying a different web browser is an excellent workaround. Here, I click on the Windows search bar at the bottom of the screen, type in Edge, and open Microsoft Edge. Once the browser loads, I type Deepseek Login into the address bar and press Enter to search. I click on the first official search result for chad.deepseek.com to open the login page. On the login screen, I enter my registered email address or phone number in the top field. In this case, I type in my Gmail address step by step. Next, I click on the password field and carefully enter my security credentials. Once both fields are filled in, I click the blue Login button. The dashboard successfully loads my previous chats, demonstrating that switching browsers or clearing the cache on your primary browser can successfully bypass the Deepseek server busy error. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.